So should you use softened water to start your seeds? I kind of did an unintentional experiment and I thought I would share that with everybody. So I know you're supposed to be using unsoftened water, like hard water straight out of the well kind of deal, or rainwater ideally, to start your seeds. But these were the first seeds I did for the year, and I wasn't paying attention, and I started off soaking my seed mix with water from the faucet. And so this tray is arugula. It's all the same seed. It's all planted the same time. The seed starting mix was the same. Everything's the same. The only difference is this side here was water from my softener, and these two back here also from the softener. And then this area is hard water straight from the well. And as you can see, there's a clear difference in germination rate. The water from the softener did not produce a great germination rate when compared to the water straight from the well. So I know it's a very small experiment, but it certainly tells me I should be using water straight from my well or collected rainwater and not use softened water. Softened water can have extra salt in it, and it's also removed all the good minerals. So anyway, if you're wondering if that was a question you had in starting your seeds, that's my experience. I mean, there's a big difference. I mean, look at this guy here. This is hard water, soft water. Big difference.